I have something so cute to show you. Oh my god. Look at them. Aren't they so cute? Hello, buddy. I have connection with this one. Hello. Look at those little babies. Look how cute these guys are. Like, who does not think that is cute? Oh my god. This one's a mama. Oh no, you're in jail. You're fat. You're also fat. Okay, you're fat. Oh, this one has a bad eye. Oh, you want to sniff? Hey, bunny. Mr. Funny Bunny. There's chickens out here, too. Right now, I'm spending a week around here. So this is Gray Ghost. Say hello, Gray Ghost. You're the mean one. Those are some roosters. Hey, buddy. Daddy's Goosifer, like Lucifer. He's probably like sick or something, so yeah. There's some baby chicks, but here I'll teleport. And now we're here. Hey, little chickens. These are little babies. Hello, little chicken. Those are the red ones. There may be some black ones in there. And here are mostly, and these are all the black ones. Look at them. Here's the fish pond. You can see little splashes in there. The big orange one. It's pretty cool. And here's the other one. This time you can see them a lot better. Well, if you look hard enough, the camera's gonna be. Oh, orange down there. Those are the fish. They're very hard to see, but they're in there. Where's Bloody Bill? Okay, I'm not supposed to be out here. There's a big rooster that'll attack you. Also, look at my new shoes. I'm not going to be wearing them because these are the farm shoes.